Hello, I need a car.
We have many good cars.
I want a small car.
Do you drive manual shift?
No, I need automatic car.
We have one red automatic.
How much for one day?
It is 50 paper dollars.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, we take paper cash.
Can I rent for week?
Yes, a week is cheaper.
I will take red car.
Show me your driver paper.
Here is my driving card.
The card is perfectly valid.
Do I pay now here?
Yes, pay the $50.
Here are 50 paper dollars.
Let me print the paper.
Do I sign the paper?
Sign at the bottom line.
I signed my name here.
Let us see the car.
I am ready to go.
Follow me to the parking.
Do I need extra?
Yes, insurance is very safe.
Insurance. What does the insurance cover?
It covers all big crashes.
How much is the insurance?
10 paper dollars a day.
I will buy the insurance.
You need a cash deposit.
How much is the deposit?
$200 in cash.
Will I get it back?
Yes, when car is safe.
Here is 200 cash.
I will count the money.
The paper money is exact.
Keep this paper receipt safe.
I put it in pocket.
Do not lose the paper.
Is the gas tank full?
Yes, the tank is full.
Do I bring it full?
Yes, bring it completely full.
I understand the gas rule.
Here are the metal keys.
Thank you for the keys.
Let us check for damage.
Look closely at the car.
I am looking very closely.
Do you see any scratches?
Yes, a scratch on door.
I will write it down.
There is a small dent.
Where is the small dent?
The dent is right here.
I marked it on paper.
Are the black tires good?
The tires are very new.
How do I open trunk?
Push the button on key.
The trunk is very big.
Put your heavy bags inside.
The bags fit perfectly well.
Check the front lights now.
The front lights work perfectly.
Adjust your mirrors inside now.
The side mirrors are good.
Fasten your seat belt tight.
My belt is very tight.
You are ready to drive.
Thank you for your help.
Drive very safely out there.
I will be very careful.
Hello, please fill the tank.
What kind of gas today?
The standard, regular gas, please.
Should I fill it completely?
Yes, fill it until full.
Do you want windows clean?
Yes, wash the front window.
I will use the soap.
The window is very dirty.
It is perfectly clean now.
The gas tank is full.
That is 40 paper dollars.
I will pay with cash.
Cash is very good today.
Here is a 50 bill.
Here is $10 change.
Thank you for the change.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, print the paper receipt.
Here is your printed paper.
Where is the highway road?
Turn right at the corner.
Thank you for the directions.
Have a very safe drive.
Goodbye to you, my friend.
Travel safely on the road.
Hello, I bring car back.
Did you have good trip?
Yes, the car drove well.
Let me check the car.
I drove very safely everywhere.
There are no new scratches.
Is the gas tank full?
Yes, I see full tank.
Did I follow all rules?
Yes, you are good driver.
Can I get deposit back?
Give me the paper receipt.
Here is the deposit paper.
Here is 200 cash.
The paper money is correct.
Please give me the keys.
Here are the metal keys.
You forgot your dark sunglasses.
Thank you for seeing them.
Do you need a taxi?
No, I will walk now.
The hotel is very close.
Thank you for good service.
Come rent a car again.
I will return next year.
Have a very good day.